Dear and yes, welcome to TharBar Saturday Dawn Quiz. Today's questions are regarding the geography. First question: which country is nicknamed the boot? So the Italy is named as the boot. Question number 2: what is the capital of Canada? So the capital of Canada is Ottawa. Question number 3: which city is home to the Spanish Steps? So it is Rome, Italy. Question number 4: which ocean is the island of Bermuda in? So this ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Question number 5: Canada is a Native America word meaning what? So the meaning of Canada is big village. Where would you find the Nazca lines? So Nazca lines are in Peru. Question number 7: which Greek city was originally built around the Acropolis? So it is Athens. Question number 8: Robert E. Perry and Matthew Henson are considered the first to reach what landmark in 1909? So this landmark is North Pole. Question number second last: what is the capital of the Australian state of Northern Territory? So it is Darwin. Last question of today's quiz: which capital city is on the Han River? So it is Seoul.